Hello and welcome to How to Play Left Center Right, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Left Center Right. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 3 or more players. To play, you will need 3 dice and 3 tokens per player. The object of the game is to be the last player still with a token. Tokens will move around based on the dice numbers rolled. For each 4 rolled, a token is passed to the left. For each 5 rolled, a token is placed into the center. For each 6 rolled, a token is passed to the right. Nothing happens for a 1, 2, or 3 rolled. Player 1 starts the game by rolling the 3 dice. Player 1 will pass a token left for the 4 rolled. No passing is required for the 2s rolled. Play moves left to player 2. Player 2 rolls 3 dice. 2 tokens are passed to the right for the 2 6s rolled. Player 3's roll includes 2 5s, so player 3 moves 2 tokens to the center. Play moves to player 4. Player 4's roll includes a 4 and a 6. 1 token is passed to the right and 1 to the left. Play returns to player 1. Player 1 rolls a 5 and 2 6s. 2 tokens are passed to the right for the 2 6s, and a token is moved into the center for the 5 rolled. Play moves to player 2. A player will only roll the number of dice equal to the number of chips they have remaining, up to 3 dice. Player 2 only has 2 chips, so they will roll 2 dice. Player 2 rolls 2 5s and moves 2 tokens into the center. When players have no more tokens, they are still in the game, but will not get to roll dice unless they get tokens passed to them before their turn. Play moves to player 3, and players continue to roll dice equal to the amount of chips they have up to 3. Players will continue to pass tokens according to the dice numbers rolled. There are 3 variations that can be played to finish a game. 1. The winner of the game is the last player with chips. Here, player 3 passes their last token to player 4. Player 4 is the only player with tokens left and wins the game. Another way to play is to require the last player with a token or tokens to roll a safe roll of 1s, 2s, or 3s to win. Here, player 4 has 1 token left and rolls a safe 1 to win the game. The last variation is to require a player to roll a 5 to move the last token into the center to win the game. Here, with 1 token left, player 4 rolls a 5 to win the game. A rolled 4 requires a token to be passed to the left. A rolled 5 requires a token to be moved to the center. A rolled 6 requires a token to be passed to the right. Only roll the number of dice equal to the number of chips you have remaining, up to 3 dice. If you are out of chips, you are still in the game, but do not roll dice until you are past a chip during gameplay. That wraps up how to play Left Center Right. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.